Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to unpair the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 from your Android smartphone. So first of all, open the Galaxy Wearable app. Now go to the menu, so click this button. Now here click on three horizontal lines and choose Remove Device. Select the device that you're connected and press Remove All. Confirm removal. Press OK or cancel if you're not connecting any new watch and you're just stopping using it. So now your device is removed. Now you can disconnect via Bluetooth. In order to do that, go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone, find your device here, click here, and just simply press Unpair. Confirm the unpairing, and you're unpaired. I hope this helped. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.